Hello, good morning. So, on Wednesday afternoon, I realized I literally had no idea what I was gonna put up this week, so I'm gonna do a little chit-chat, get ready with me, but unfortunately it's gonna be quite brief because I do have to leave the house in like 20 minutes. So I've already prepped my skin with a Cetaphil SPF moisturizer and a Trader Joe's sunscreen. Next I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer to just like spot conceal my skin, and since it's too light for me, obviously I'm gonna use a little bit of a darker shade as well. So I just thought, I've been in college for a month, I'll just like talk about it. So this is not me like asking you to have pity on me or anything, because like, I don't know, clearly it's stuff that there's nothing you can really do about, and I can't really do anything about. But it's been like a month in, and apparently you're supposed to like make your friends in the first month. That's like when people make their friends, and I have no new friends because I can't drive, which means that I can't do any clubs, because people are like, oh, if you want to make friends, just like join clubs. Okay, well, all the clubs meet when I'm not on campus, so that's pretty nifty. It's not my fault that I can't drive. Nobody's making the time to teach me. I would definitely make the time to learn if anyone was making the time to teach me, but they aren't, so it's fun. I also don't think this is gonna look like poop because I'm just doing it in my phone camera, and normally I do it in the bathroom mirror, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out looking. If anything, it'll look great on camera. That's what we care about. And you know, nobody's gonna be judging me because nobody's looking at me. Wahoo. Okay, I've done that with a dry blender. Now I'm just gonna go in with like a wet one and try to like blend out the spots that are looking a little uneven. I literally don't know what I'm doing anymore. I do this every day and I have no clue. Okay, now that my skin is looking less scary, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. What am I gonna talk about while I powder my face? Let's talk about classes. So far, it's actually been kind of easier than high school, just because I think I'm better at like, ooh, that was a lot. I think I'm procrastinating less because I am paying to be here, so I actually do care about getting a good grade now. It's like I have to keep a certain GPA to keep my scholarship, although the GPA is pretty low, so like whatever, it's not gonna matter if I get C's. I could probably get straight C's and still keep my scholarship, but I don't want to do that. I want to get A's, as many A's as I can. I know there were some harder classes, but as many as I can. Also, my math class is probably the math class since like the first math class since like maybe 4th grade that is actually easy for me, and I think it's the way the class is structured because the teacher does not actually teach us. She just kind of stands over us, making sure that we're doing work instead of other things, which is kind of asinine, I think. We're paying to be here, it should be on us to do the work. But she doesn't lecture us or anything. It's somewhat self-paced. I don't have to go to math class today because I did all the math assignments for this week already. But yeah, I don't know. It's just crazy, but at least there's no lectures, so I'm not like falling asleep in class. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil. It is literally gone. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do great eyebrows in this camera. Sorry that there's like a weird awkward silence right here, but I decided to leave this in just to show you guys what kind of shape I do with my brows. So I hope this is helpful for anyone who's wondering. Oh, and this is not my natural brow shape. I do shape them every Sunday night. I guess that's probably like fine. That's probably as good as they're gonna get. Next I'm gonna do blush. I'm not gonna be able to tell how much I put on because of this lighting, but I'm using this musty, crusty ass, old as who knows, CoverGirl blush. I don't even know if they still make these anymore because this is probably from 2012 at the latest. But I've been going back and forth. This was the blush that I used before I got any of my own makeup. This was something my mom gave me. But since then I've been using like different blushes. Like I got this NYX palette and some of these pink shades I was using as blush. But some of them were a little crazy, I will admit. That was an era. And I used like a peachier one, which is good for a while. Then I got a Florence by Mills Velvet Liquid Lipstick, which I did not like as a lipstick, so I used it as a blush, and that was cute. Now I like it kind of as a lipstick a little more. I don't know, it's grown on me. Then I was using an e.l.f. Halo Glow blush, but I just feel like it's cute and glowy and stuff and like good for summer, but not where I live. I literally just look sweaty. So I'm sticking to a powder blush right now. Well, it is still like 100 degrees out. It is middle of September and it is literally still 100 degrees out. Yeah. Which is actually, I feel like every day I'm like, oh, it's so nice out today. Because normally it's like 115, or like it has been for the past couple months. I literally don't know if this is enough or if this is like way too much. I'm just gonna stop. What do I even do next? Okay, I guess next I'm gonna do my mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. It's water resistant. Résistant de l'eau. I don't know what the name of this specifically is. It's just the purple one because I think they all say something similar on them. But basically when I started doing makeup, I got the orange one because I don't know like what the difference is, but there is a difference apparently. I couldn't really explain it in like a formula way or like a smart way, but the purple is better. I think it's like a combination of I think the orange one and the pink one, because I know my mom used the pink one and it has like lash fibers in it to make your eyelashes look longer, which this also does. And also the orange one was like weirdly blue tinted. It like looked blue on me. This one doesn't have that same issue. It could have just been the shade because I know there's different shades of mascara that CoverGirl has, but I don't know. It could have just been blue. I don't know for sure if this is a mix of the orange and the pink, but that's what it feels like. Like it has that same like nice formula. It's not dry or anything. It's really juicy, just like the orange one is, but that might just be a CoverGirl thing in general. I tried a Maybelline mascara once, hated it. I couldn't even finish the tube. That's how much I hated it. I literally washed out the tube and put coconut oil in it for my lashes. It was so nasty. So I would recommend, if you're like buying mascara for the first time, get a CoverGirl one, specifically the purple one, but the orange one is also good, and so is the pink. I'm sure they're all good. I've only used 2 or 3 of them. This one doesn't really need a second coat. I just feel like for some reason this lash looks smaller than the other side. Actually, it was kind of difficult to do a second coat because this does dry pretty quickly. I don't know why does it look so uneven? That's a little better, I think. And then next, I'm gonna do eyeliner, but I think I'm actually gonna go do this in bathroom mirror. So I'll see you real quick for a little conclusion. Okay, I finished it, and I know it's super uneven. Like, don't even talk to me about it. I know. But I also feel like my eyeballs in general are just unsymmetrical, so it's really hard to make an even liner. I don't know how I got this big. Normally it's fine. Like, the past couple days it's been fine. This is really upsetting. But I try to do it after my mascara always so that it makes it easier to make even. Like, well, this is really upsetting and I don't have time to fix it because I gotta pack my gym bag. It's like fine from a distance. It's popping on some Burt's Bees tinted lip balm to make myself feel better. And yeah, that's really it. I didn't talk that much about my life, but I talked. Oh, also the eyeliner is the Shades by Shan one in the shade Black Onyx, but I don't know, it's just like an eyeliner. It's pretty much the same as every drugstore eyeliner I've used, so I don't know what's special about it. I just got it in my Ipsy bag, so that's what I've been using because I don't have another one. But yeah, this is my beauty makeup look, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Make sure to like it, comment down below any videos ideas you have because I have none, and subscribe if you feel like sticking around. So bye, goodbye, farewell, have a nice voyage, have a nice week.